So here's the mast for the RX. There's no threads. There was a installed shark fin, and it wasn't a very good replacement. So I'll clean this up later. But just wanted to show that this is not repairable because there's no threads to reverse out any broken piece of the pole. So this entire base needs to be taken off. To get to the antenna, which is maybe 8 inches above over here, I'm going to take this off. And it's going to be underneath this headliner, but the headliner is underneath this side pillar, but it's okay. It actually clips in like this, and you can pull this down like this. Now you can see that I've already removed these. If you look closer in there, there's a channel of wires, and the antenna travels down this side right here. So we'll get to that. First thing is, the most complicated part is identifying the wire. So you're just going to look for these attachments. This is the obvious, and this one's some special connection, but they both go to the antenna up here, which you can't really see. So it really helps to be able to just buy it and take a look at it. Looks like the salvage yard gave it a little artistic thing going on down here, but it helps to identify, because you can see that this is a special nut with a washer that allows the wires to channel through. So you can size it up, and this happens to be a 22 millimeter. I'm using this. It's a 22 millimeter short socket, 12 point, but I think you can get away with a long deep socket. I'm thinking the short socket is the best because you don't have much room, and I was able to loosen it up with my hands. These gloves may help with traction. I'll have this get close to my hand when I go down here. So you just feel for it, and you know what you're looking for, or you're trying to feel. It's gonna feel like this, except this way. So just feel for it, and you can feel it. And remember, go counterclockwise. Some people get confused.
Lefty loosey, righty tighty.
Here it is. Now it's off. Okay, so let's go back up. Make sure this has a little bit of room for. Yeah, you should be able to just grab it and pull it up. There it goes. Just like that. Fish this through. Looks like I have to do one more and then bring it through. Now remember, this wire goes forward, so you're going to have make sure that this washer is facing forward when you install blind. You need to push this downwards so it can go through. Okay. Remember, this goes forward like this, so feel for it. This is a fine thread, so it really helps to thread it backwards until you hear a click, so you know that you're not cross-threading when you start tightening it up, because it does feel weird. So once we have the nut tight, then originally it channeled through this thing. If you really want to be fancy about it, okay, and then let's go and do this side right here. And it's this one right here. And then I'm sure we can find the other one somewhere nearby. Let's go and plug this one in first. Is it hiding over here? Oh, it's right up here with the yellow electrical tape. So, grab this one. Something like that. And then look for that. They're both yellow electrical tape, so it really helps. There's the other one right here. Just plug that one in and you're done. Just close it up. Go for it. Just like that. Okay. So, put it back. Now it comes. And this one, look at the clip. Oh, clip. Oh, here it is. Good clip. There. And then make sure that this leather strip fits all the way around. The hardest. This one it is. There it goes. And we're good. Well, I mean, you always had signal in at home, right? I don't know. I think it's good.